AI is working everywhere. For the small work, we reach to the AI and we ask for with the AI. So in the future, there will be so less jobs. Means the every job will be done by the AI. So there will be so less jobs for the humans, and the AI will replace to the humans. And there will be no jobs for the human, and human will not be able to do the any type of jobs. And as I think that in the future, it will affect on the education also, because everything is being done by the education, not the education by the AI. So on that time, no one will think to take the education, because the everything because the AI is doing every type of work. There is no work which is remain for doing the AI, and human will not do any type of work, because everything is being done by the AI. AI is everywhere. When in the mobile, in the laptop, in every place, means the in the banks and in the places, means the in the big places there are also AI. In the small work for we use AI. So AI will replace the jobs of humans in the future. So AI is a very dangerous thing. If you will try too much that I will not use AI, but friend, it is impossible. You will use AI and you will have to use AI, and on the future AI will replace your job. And if only 1% will stop using the AI, so whole world will not stop. Whole world will use, and the all work will be done by the AI. So on that time, the all jobs will be also done by the AI. So there will be so less jobs. Means as I think there will be no jobs for the humans, and there will be all jobs will be done by the AI. So as I think that this thing is very we can say that the very right thing, because in the future AI is very dangerous for us. Now the time we all are using the AI, it is okay, but in the future it will be very dangerous, because it will snatch our whole jobs, and there will be so less jobs for the human. So that was my thoughts. I would like to tell you that.
Okay, I would like to say something, that as you are saying that AI will take all the jobs, there will be no job left for the humans. So it is totally incorrect, as we all know that who created the AI.
Human created the
Human
AI.
created the AI. So how it is possible that the AI will take the job of the human? Because human created the AI, and the human know how to use the AI in such a way that it will be beneficial for them also, and they cannot take the job of the humans. As in the many fields, the AI is working very smartly, and it is good for them also, but it is not true that it can replace the human completely, because in every place we need the human for the accuracy and for the emotional support. As if I talk about each and every sector of job, is if I talk about the teacher, so AI can show the animation, AI can reply to the answer, but as the teacher supports them, as the teacher gives the mental support and the emotional support to the student, the AI can never give it to us. Whenever we are learning anything, we are going towards our teacher, we are going to our teacher and we are asking our doubt. But if we are asking our doubt with the AI, they will give the solution, but at some point we will need the consultant. Throughoutly, the teacher will understand our emotion, that what are we trying to understand, what are we trying to say, what are we trying to ask with them. Because somewhere we stay confused in our thoughts also, that what are we trying to ask, what are we trying to understand. But if there is a teacher for us, they will understand our feeling, they will reply to us. If I talk about any other sector, like in the field of the medical, the AI treats the human, but with the help of the AI, there is totally the need of the doctor. If there will be no doctor, there will be only the machines and the AI. So there is no possible that the patient will cure easily, because there should be a doctor to diagnose it, to correct it, and to mention the things that what is the wrong and what should be done on the humans by the AI. But there will be the need of the human. Without the human, it is not possible that it will be totally we will be totally dependent on the AI. It will not gonna happen, and it is not happening. And people are thinking that AI is taking the job, it is ruling over the world. But we should not forget this one thing, that who created the AI? The human created the AI, and the human have the right to keep control on the AI and the machines. Without their control and without their permission, the AI cannot take the jobs. As it helps us in the job, it will contribute the help, and it will contribute their contribution, and it will guide us to invent some new things. But without the human, there is no chance to get any new thing and to generate any new thing. There will always be the need of the human original mind, not the artificial mind, for creating the new things or for doing any kind of the things in each and every field. So it is totally wrong that AI will take the job. It is not like that. there will always be the need of the human for doing anything in the every field. I have given the example of the teacher in the medical field, but in the each and every sector, there will always be the need of the human, because without the human, the AI cannot do anything. The AI needs the guidance to the human, as the human in the software engineering or any kind of the field, they are giving the instruction, they are making the code and they are doing the things, then the AI is responding to the whole world. So what is the main source? The human is the main source. They are giving the information to the AI, then AI is distributing the information to the world. So there will always be the need of the human, and it is totally wrong that AI will gonna replace to the human. It will never gonna happen in the future and in the current situation also.
Really, as I told you that, as you told us that this thing is happening in current time. In the future, it will not happen. AI will take the every type of job, because there will be no work for doing the humans. AI will do every type of work. As you told that if the human will not there, so no new thing will be created by us. So the AI will create the thing, because AI has the knowledge about that thing, and
Who gave it the knowledge? The human gave it the knowledge. So how it is possible that without the human, the AI will gonna work throughout the years without any instruction of the human? Because for the mental support and for the emotional support also, the Gen Z created something new. The AI doesn't have any idea about it. We are giving the idea. The people of the engineers are giving them idea that what is going in the world, what the today's generation want. Then they are capturing that data into the AI, and then AI is helping to all of us. Without the human, the AI cannot do anything. Let's suppose we are asking some question, or let's suppose we are asking 2000 generation question into the 90s generation question. At the time, the AI will not be able to respond because they didn't have any idea about it. But after the generation, the human feeded that response, that human feeded that data on the AI, then only the AI is able to give the answer and to help to all. Without the human, there's no value of the AI, I guess.
it is correct. It is correct to be.
As if I will talk all about this topic, that AI will take the place, yes, of the jobs in the future. So at that timing, I am it is right actually, because now timing we can easily watch data. And the students, one thing is that if they are not doing anything, they are asking with the some of the things like ChatGPT or the any apps. Or what just many times we can see that in our life that many other students, those who are getting their work to do, at that time what is they are doing? They are making it easy and they are searching it in the mobile, and after that whole answer will be there in front of you. So what just this thing can make us? That is all about lazy. So what just the first thing is that when you will be lazy, at that time that is definite that you will try to use it more and more, because it is a human nature that the human will try. If he knew one thing that how the yes, fire was burned at the past time, at that time he will renew it. Means the development of that will be done. And same thing is also done in the AI. We also think that AI was as is also made by a human. But in the case now a timing, all the humans are not knowing all the knowledge. But AI is knowing the things that you are going to ask for. First question, if you are asking with a subject related to maths, at that time what we can observe directly that he will give the answer. But if you will ask with a person like the person of your age, he will not be able to tell you, because what? The knowledge is all about whenever we are not getting knowledge. So how the many of the peoples are there, those who are becoming lazy nowadays times. So we can easily assume that in the future that the AI will take the jobs for of the all of the peoples, because one time it will come that the peoples will start thinking that it is more beneficial from that for that them. As it is a reality also, it provides the flexibility and more comfortable to them. So they will prefer to AI only in the future.
So Priyansh,
भैया
so Bhaiya, as you told that the AI is knowing everything. So I want to ask one question, that can AI understand every languages?
Yes,
Definitely.
AI can understand
All
more than
languages.
27 languages: Japanese, English.
I know that. But in this world there are more than 100 languages in this
Yes,
world.
I am.
So how AI can know everything, every languages?
Bhaiya, 2 to 3 languages. They are all about the tribal peoples. Then also it is able to study this. So we can assume that 98% it is having the chance that it will know the knowledge of all the languages. All the language. If you are talking about the languages, at that timing it is having the knowledge about the all the specific thing of anything like English, Hindi, or many more things.
So I want to ask one more question, that will AI replace the human completely?
Yes.
Will AI replace the human completely? Yes, in every field will AI replace the human?
But yeah, if I will talk about now timing, at that timing one thing can be seen that now timing AI is not developed that much. But if we will talk about the future, so the future, no one is knowing the future. We are not a saint who is knowing all the things that what is going to happen in the future.
So how
But
can you say?
we can assume that now a timing the AI is comfortable. But the most advanced version of the AI is totally dependent on the artificial robots. So at the timing, the robots will be able to do all the kinds of the things that you have to do at the thing. Like for example, your robot will try to do all the things. Sometimes, as at the Saturday, Saksham Bhaiya told you that in the every field at the future, it will be the robot will be present, and it is right also. So that we can assume it that AI will be present in all the jobs in the
But
future.
yeah, like
Now a timing in the case of the West Bengal or the other sides of the India, we can assume that the delivering places, wherever the people were going, there the robots are sent for giving their parcel to that person. So we can easily understand first that example.
yeah, like to tell you that the AI will replace their job in the future. It do not means it doesn't depend on the AI. It depends on us. It depends on human. If human is using AI too much, so at that time maybe AI will replace the human. But if human will understand that it will become dangerous for them. So at that time, I can just imagine that they will mean in every field they will not use the AI.
Bhaiya, for example, I would like to give you an example that yes, 2-3 days ago I had a problem of my leg. At that timing, I thought that I will not eat. My father said that